Okay, so let's add the starting soon here. I'm gonna do a stream on just like my project, and I wanted to just debug it and show some of it, and I'll probably send this to my teammates soon as well. This is what we have right now. Just waiting for it to run. Discord link is working. Yeah, that's good. Check it in the chat. Yeah, it's working. Okay, we're getting graphs here as well. I see the plots is loading. Okay, there's the QQ plot. And then we have more of the code here. I'm gonna upload this code, the last set of code, for in my GitHub as well. Let's take all this code and put it in the GitHub. So this is the overall project. I'm gonna make a rental file 5, and we answered these for like several questions in this project as well. Oh, where's the code here? Was it in modeling? Oh no, it's probably in final. I should put it in final. Let's call it normality assumptions. I'm gonna call it normal. No, not there. Normality assumptions .r. I'm gonna throw it in here, and hopefully it shows up properly and doesn't give me any errors. Okay, there's the correlation matrix. Not bad. Okay, so trend line requires more time series observation. How can we fix that, I wonder? Most of this code worked. This is one QQ plot normality of residuals. Let's put this in the group. What are we missing? It's still giving me an issue for that graph. Trend line requires more time series observations. Where is that coming from? Recommendations. Standard path price distribution Q1. It's probably this one, yeah. I need more scraping for that one to fix it and get a better grasp to resolve that error. Yeah, okay. Let's look at the code for that. So something needs to be changed in our graph there. And we have all this data on the side on the left. So let me think. How am I going to do this? Price distribution, ggplot, rent, clean, final price. There's a histogram. That's probably the one that was before this. Yeah, it's probably this one. Calculate rent distribution. Title is the same. Inventory versus interest rate snapshot was that other graph. And then there was join data. And this was trendline requires more time series observation. So how do we get more data points? So if we fetch 10 years of historical hit rates, let's see if this works instead. Then we can make a revised graph. Okay, let's call this final code 5 and then change it accordingly. Move this to the other. Why doesn't it let me move you? Yeah. Where did the window go? Damn, what did I do? I can't see the window. Let me fix this real quick. What's going on? Did it glitch out on me? Just a call. Where is the... Where's the window I'm looking for? Go down slowly. Where's the window? I think I lost it. Whatever, it'll come back hopefully. There we go. Downloads final code 5 is what we're called this final code 5. Okay, let's come back to the counter here. Okay, so hopefully I can fix this. Laptop is glitching on me. Okay. Let's also make this more interactive so people can see me on here. I think the webcam should work if I give it some time. Oh, it's over there. That was a sub webcam. Should probably delete the other one. Remove. Rename. We'll call it lab webcam. Oh, that's the alert box. Oh, what's the chat there too? Do I want this? Yeah, maybe I will set that up. Whoops. Let's move over here and set up the alert box over there. Oh. Maybe we can move the chat. It doesn't show the full environment. Where's the chat? That's not live chat. Can't see the sub counter either. Yeah, I'll eventually work this out at some point. Oops, I want to move that. I'll move myself. Oh. Overlay. Okay, let's fix this. So I need to go up here somewhere. Current script has a snapshot of data from today's scrape. To build a trend line, R needs to compare rental inventory across different months or interest rate environments. Don't have multiple months of scrapes, must be fixed to download historical interest rate data. So I need 10 years of historical BOC rates, Bank Canada rates. So I should probably comment a lot of this out and then code this part in. Is there a way to comment out lots of comments in R? Let's ask Google, is there a way to comment out code in R? Multiple lines. Select the multiple lines in which you want to comment, use the cursor, then use the combination Control Shift C. Okay. So this, I do Control Shift C. Oh yeah, it does do it. That was very handy dandy. Good to know. Okay. So now instead, let's type this code in. Let's put it up here. We'll say hashtag pulling a 10-year lookup for the overnight rate 39079. Here's the valid API for historical observations. CSV format. I'm going to put a new URL in here. HTTPS. The website name, Bank of Canada.ca / valid / observations / V39079 CSV. Okay. Oh damn, there was another quotation there. Hist URL. HTTPS Bank of Canada.ca valid V39. I think that should be correct. Oh, damn it. No, yeah, it's capital. Guess it's case sensitive, so I should keep that in mind. Okay, let's keep going. Wait, is that no comment note? Yeah, it is. Okay. Read the data. Why is this yellow? What the hell? Is it because of the rest of the code? Or it's probably because, like, I need to define it. Read the data, skip metadata headers. Raw _ BOC. hist. I hate that color for some reason. Read underscore lines. C hist URL. So now we're going to find where the header is using the grep function. Observations. Yeah. Raw underscore BOC. Hist +1. Historical rates. Let's define that. Historical rates. Read underscore CSV BOC. Hist URL. Oh, it already knows what I'm doing. Skip header start. Yeah. Clean names. Mutate. Rename. Yeah, I need all of this. Yeah. Rename with policy rate. Okay. So clean names. That pipeline operator. Mutate as the date. Another pipeline. Rename policy. Rate equals. Okay. So I don't need this part. I didn't get it fully. Rename policy rate as policy rate as. Oh, I probably used the bottom code to figure out the top one. Rename policy rate as V39079, and I need the pipeline operator. Percent this and this. Yep. And then filter for last 2 years to keep graph relevant. Filter date greater than equal to. No. Actually, yeah, we could do that. Years match to. Sure, let's do that. Going aggregation. Aggregate to monthly averages. So actually, this rental snapshot. I don't know if this is gonna work, but we're gonna actually test it and see what it does. We list underscore rates, historical rates. Mutate month, year equals floor underscore date, month, this percent, yeah, group by month, year, yes, summarize average policy rate equals mean policy rate. Yes, that's exactly what I need. Okay. This one will be in the trend 3 now. Why are you still giving me an error? Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna try putting in all new code in this and see if it works. See if it works now. Am I stuck? Why is it not running? Did I not control enter? Bruh. Did I just forget to run it? Silly me. It's creeping it. What's it doing now? Oh, it's looking for the raw listings. We should go through it. So, clearing global directory, loading all the different libraries that are needed, pulling 2 years of data. So there's a histogram URL, a raw BOC hist, which reads the lines, looks for observations, tries to get monthly interest based on BOC history, histogram URL, skips the headers, cleans names, renames policy read as this, has a filter, and mutate, as group by months, summarizes average policy rate, rent faster API scrapers or a sequence of this many values, gets the rent data, paste the URL with an API. Now there's a bunch of cleaning. All listings, flatten it, clean, mutate, data scraped, have final price, bed, square feet, look for specific segments, current count, makes a snapshot, some of the historical and records to show trend line, mimic some of the variable K, join data, mutate, similarly inventory increases slightly as rates stayed high. Sure, current month use actual data. Okay, statistical models and diagnostics. So monetary linear model, listing count, multiple regression, diagnostic normality plot, multi-linearity. So that's a variance, influence factor, logistic regression, and then the visualizations. So this one is supposed to be fixed, multi-linear visualization. Okay. Recommendations. Okay, let's see if it does okay. That's good. New set of graphs. Let's see what it does. Should probably also open the drive with the report paper. Tell the guys where to put this information in and finish the report. I'm gonna do a peer evaluation. I'm gonna finish that. Gotta think about future presentations. So think about that too. Oh yeah. Why isn't it not loading? It's not making the plots. Why? Why? Everything else was working. Why are you taking so long for the plots? Hmm. What's missing? Oh yeah, I was gonna discuss. Right, so statistical models and diagnostics. Listing count with average policy rate. Data was joined. Model price, the final price with beds. Normal price, normality testing. Maybe I need more APIs. Model incentive. GG plots on the join data. Okay, it's doing stuff for me. I give the recommendations. Okay, it's giving me all the new data here. Why not the plots? Can I go with the feature matrix? Okay, there we go. There you go. Okay, these are the previous plots, I think. Let's see the new plots. Bro, go ahead. In any case, I'm gonna put this code and save it, copy it, put it back in the GitHub. Well, let me add it in. Bro, show me the rest of the plots, man. What does this say? Remove the current plot. Yeah, remove it. Yeah, because, like, I can't see the other ones, so might as well remove it. Let's just call it bigger snapshot dot over. Normality fixed. Call it that. Yeah, man. Remove the plot and show me the next thing. There we go. Okay, this was useful. Price, module restraints, QQ residuals. Is this the same one as the one I had before or different? Definitely need to copy this. Oops. I got committed. Go back to R. Okay, buddy. Relax. Relax. Yeah, report is the other thing to keep in mind. Yeah, there was a lot going on in this project. I had a lot of different files that were being tested for the codes here. And we had visualization files and web scraping files, a lot of .r files. The whole goal of the project was to do web scraping. Just some cleaning. I guess I didn't put a file in there. Interesting. Yeah, I'm gonna look at the rest of the project.